In order to win the buy bus, it is important to manage your prices to be competitive. Doing this for the large number of products or even a medium number of products is very time consuming. For this reason, there were a number of automated solutions. Amazon had its own solution called Amazon Automated Prices, and they also have third-party tools. For example, BQ and Channel Match, which also manage a large number of the SKU based on rules. Typically, you will enter a minimum and maximum price, and ask the tool you may use a cheapest bid in a particular range. Amazon pricing rule emerged from pricing automate pricing, which is going to create an example now which create a rule, and there is a number of options. You can create a competitive buy box rule which matches your price against the current buy box winner. A competitive lower price rule which you match your price against the lowest price. A competitive external price all which matches your price against the external prices. And a mode based on a sales unit which change your price based on how many units you have sold. And this is the unified European account. The wallet can be set on all the European account and all that ones. And so here we are setting the attribute for this particular. You can say stay below the Bibles for a particular amount. In this case, we'll set one when set or the other option you match the Bibles. You can stay below the Bibles for a particular amount. In this case, we will set 1% or the other option to match the Bibles rule or stay above the Bibles for a particular or specific amount. The second option is choosing the condition you want to match. And also we can choose whether to match only offer for the same fulfillment method or only the offer from the third party seller and therefore not Amazon. This rule you can also be compared against prices outside Amazon and select whether you want to continue with pricing if you update your prices elsewhere or sell the center. The final stage is selecting the ACM and we use want to apply this rule to while this is the Amazon internal to external tool that will work in a similar way. Finally, there are few other pricing features on Amazon which are worth taking a look at. Under the pricing menu, you have pricing health. This look at where Amazon thinks that your prices are not in line with its fair marketplace pricing policy. You should review these alerts frequently because they can be stopping your product from appearing live. The feature offer section under the pricing look at where your product are near the buy box. Small change of price can mean that you get the buy box fixed pricing alert will be where Amazon thinks there is a problem with your pricing. For example, your price that you have stated is outside your minimum your stated minimum and maximum range. Finally, fee discounts. This is where Amazon is offering discount on Amazon that is offering discount on its referral fee to encourage you to drop your price. Usually, by dropping your price, you will encourage more sale.